Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to connect Wix website to Google Search Console. First, log into your Wix account. Once inside to one of your sites, go and select it. Now, on the left panel, go to Site and Mobile App, then go to SEO. Here you will see your Google Search Console performance. If you're not yet connected, you can now go ahead and connect to Google. But first, you need to set up your checklist before you connect, so go ahead and set it up. Here you will have a checklist that you need to do, from setting a homepage title up to connecting your domain. For connecting your domain, you need a premium feature to do that, so just go ahead and avail one for it. But once that's done, you can now go ahead and connect your site to Google Search Console. Just go ahead and click on this Connect Now button. And after that, you will be able to choose your Google account that is connected to Google Search Console, and it will be automatically connected to your Wix website. And that's just basically it. That's how you connect your Wix website to Google Search Console. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tutorials.